As you know, the guys and I settled in the tropical jungle on an uninhabited island. In a few days, we managed to build a dwelling here and even get water and food. But it turned out that we are not alone on this island. Some kind of Mowgli comes to us more and more often at night.
Sasha.
You're not sleeping anymore. Look, it's getting a little brighter. The dosimeter signaled, by the way. My God.
Pasha, did you sleep?
A little.
Boys, what can I say? We are not alone on the island.
Let's go outside and take a look. Well, there's no one on the street. It is still very early. The light is on. It shone all night. The lamps did not go out.
What else can I say? This YUMBA ran out at us yesterday. Together we tried to escape from him. I even stumbled and fell. I don't know if Sasha filmed it or not. In the end, we ran away somewhere. There, somewhere in that direction. This YUMBA just ran past us and into the thicket of the forest. And he disappeared, and that's it. And we lay like this all night. I slept with a machete in my hands just in case, because I didn't know what to expect from him.
Yes, we almost got lost yesterday, because this YUMBA runs through the forest at breakneck speed, just snooping between the trees.
I don't know how we will sleep all these nights. I constantly think that you can't let go of the machete from your hands. Pasha, do you think it will save you? It's really scary here, because...
What?
Oh my God.
What's this? What was that?
Rat. A rat ran, did you see, right here under my feet?
Here?
You've seen.
But there were no rats. This is the first, for so much time.
In short, guys, put this one, what is it called?
Click on the bell.
And likes too, please. Because you can see for yourself how we try for you.
Let's go over there and check the trap quickly. Anton, do you even know who YUMBA are? Did not work?
Did not work.
Why is that?
Although there are rats here, we are convinced of this.
Yes, but they are very cunning, very nimble. There are ants.
Yes, let it stand a little longer. Let's go check the crab.
Let's go. So, guys, we go to the beach through the bushes. I will shoot there already. Well, guys, the most important advantage of a desert island is, of course, such a blue sea, the purest water. Just admire it. Anton, cool sea? How is water?
Need to freshen up a bit.
Yes, it helps a lot with the heat.
I hope that the shoes will not carry away. I need to change my shoes.
By the way, for some reason the waves have become so small. The calm before the storm. The low tide is quite strong. Even the corals can be seen. Look.
We are on the sea. Only not on the usual, but on the uninhabited, apart from those fishermen.
Guys, this is fantastic. The camera does not convey how clean the water is here. Now the tide is out. And, by the way, now it is clear why our captain bent his propeller. It's really shallow here. Look. Look how shallow it is here. In short, guys, tin. Someone has come to us. Turned around, swam back. What are they looking for? At the beginning, we thought that the police had already come for us. You never know. We don't know all the laws. Maybe you can't make fires in this forest. But look, they must be fishermen. Their rods are sparkling. They just shouted something and we got scared.
It actually looks like a police boat.
And fishing rods for excuses?
Oh, they floated away. Started the engine, look. Yes, they fish. Everything is fine. Now they will float away.
We were told that they could come day or night, like the police, and demand a bribe from us because we burn fires. We were warned not to say right away that we were lighting small fires, and to give only small amounts of money, no more than 100. Can you imagine how wild? That is, they can be said to simply extort money for bonfires, or how to call it, or it's really impossible to burn them here. It's not at all clear.
And where do we get money from? Look at us. We are dressed like homeless people.
Well, guys, we found a lot of palm trees. We crossed to the other side across the entire island, and there is also a beach. Look how long it is. What I would like to tell you. We have been surviving on this beautiful uninhabited island for several days, and during this time we have built a hut, got food, and now we will show you in this video how our days are spent here, what we do besides filming, on this desert island, in the Gulf of Thailand, of the Indian Ocean.
Especially for our viewers, room tour of our camp. Let's go.
Surprisingly, it gets dark here just terribly fast. Our camp is already visible there. We are returning. Pasha is already chilling in a hammock. A hammock, by the way, is a very cool thing on these tropical islands, because it is not stuffy, not hot, not cold. What do you want?
I imagine that Pasha is TUMBA YUMBA. Quiet. As you can see, there are no problems with light in our camp. The solar panel performs its function perfectly.
During the day it is fully charged. There is inside, I may be able to show you later, a large lead battery. It accumulates energy all day long, and we may not save at all. We charge phones, we charge cameras, we charge flashlights, and all this from only one solar power station. And the energy does not go to zero, it still remains there.
It is so powerful that even in the shade, the solar panel works out and shows itself very well. Insect spray works. Strange as it may seem, of course we couldn't sleep because TUMBA YUMBA hunted us that night. But nevertheless, yes, no ants, no spiders, no snakes, no rats, no one climbed into our tent.
So cool.
Nobody at all. Of course, in the future we are planning to upgrade our house. I already have a couple of ideas. Here I am thinking of making one more room of this type. We will have 2 rooms, making such racks, so that they are above the ground, so that we can lie down calmly and not be afraid that some creature, snake or spider will crawl on us. But this is for the future. And probably we will lay out the floor completely from bamboo. We will also completely strengthen the walls with bamboo. But that's for the future, guys. But then again, it's up to you. If you really like these videos, then write in the comments and we will definitely upgrade our hut.
And here, in fact, our kitchen. Stop. Again, TUMBA YUMBA.
Machete.
Take it?
What is it?
Some worms.
He bring food?
What are these jokes?
Anton, what is it? God. They're swarming, right?
Alloy.
He eats them. You've seen? Anton, it's disrespectful to the local people if you don't try.
Okay, kin. Okay. Kin.
Oh, tin. Oh, tin.
It's so crunchy.
Does it crunch? What does it taste like? Say what it is. What's this?
This is complete nonsense. I can really feel how the larvae multiply on my tongue.
These are some serious caterpillars. These are worms or larvae. What is it? Here is a tin. Anton, where is he? He's just been here.
So what happens that TUMBA YUMBA is normal?
And he wasn't offended?
Maybe he was offended that you spat out the larva?
He just brought us some fried larvae and left. How is that? It turns out that he wanted to meet us yesterday. I don't understand how to regard this. Is it normal or not?
And we are aborigines. Took a machete.
I have a feeling that he was constantly watching us.
Even now it feels like this.
And what will we do with the larvae?
We'll probably fish for them.
This is something we didn't expect at all. He's around here somewhere, heard? He's watching us, Anton.
Horror. It's like in some movie about survival. When you find some TUMBA YUMBA, he wants to get to know you somehow. I don't know. Where's the machete?
We lost the machete. How is that?
It's here, near the bamboo.
Oh, is it in bamboo? So it was nearby, but we did not see.
Many people write in the comments, they are interested in how we live here.
First question, how did you come up with the idea to shoot island survival?
Well, guys, I can say that it was a childhood dream. Well, I think all of you have seen these Robinson Crusoe films, such adventures. When you think, wow, I ended up on a desert island, the whole island is mine.
Indeed, it was a childhood dream, but what motivated me was Bear Grylls' show Survive at Any Cost. When I was little, I watched all the episodes. I was so in awe of what he was doing. The fact that he climbs in different wilderness, and I was especially surprised how he ate all sorts of cockroaches, beetles.
What other questions are asked in the comments?
What are we planning to build on the island?
We are planning to build a sauna, a cinema, a swimming pool. And again, guys, it's all up to you. Be active, write to all social networks what you want to see. And we even have another very interesting idea. Soon one of you, our subscribers, will go to the island with us. I think it's going to be a fun adventure. We will arrange all this, but we will talk about this later. Most likely there will be a post, so stay tuned for each episode so you don't miss the opportunity to come with us on this crazy journey.
What else are you planning to shoot after surviving on the island?
Yes, guys, we already have another interesting idea. So, we plan to make a homemade bamboo raft, put a roof on top of it from these solar panels, and attach these 24-volt outboard motors to it. And we want to go on a trip to the Gulf of Thailand on a homemade raft. We have already thought about everything. There are many islands here. It is very easy to swim from one island to another. Honestly, I don't know. Anton, what do you think about this idea?
First, we will be alone at sea. Secondly, 100% there will be some kind of storm. Again, guys, it's entirely up to you. If you want to see the full trash, write about it in the comments.
This constant noise scares me.
He climbs.
Does he climb there?
He's behind the bamboo. Behind the bamboo, where I shine.
Oh, God. Stop, Anton, don't scare him. He seems to be benevolent. It looks like a big crab. Take it?
I'm afraid to even touch it.
What is this nonsense, as from Alien? And what does it mean?
Oh my gosh. Does anyone even know what it is? It's like a crab, but look how huge.
Have you seen the movie Alien?
Listen, this is that nonsense that stuck to the face, right?
It turns out that such creatures walk around the island. That is, we can sleep and it will stick to our faces, lay eggs there, and then from our stomach it will be.
How many eggs?
It has like a crab, such big tongs on its paws. What is this? I've never seen anything like this.
Guys, if we think logically, then in fact he is friendly. I don't know why he is doing all this, why he brings some worms, some crustaceans. Here it is, by the way, this horror, and we don't know what to do with it. I'm probably going to throw it in a crab trap tomorrow morning and try to catch crabs on it. It also confuses me that such creatures crawl around here somewhere. Can you imagine it? That is, in fact, we can sleep there, and it will come into our tent and just bite everyone.
Comment from a subscriber, Andre. Would you like to cook a shish kebab from a monitor lizard?
It seems to me that this question should be addressed to the monitor lizard, whether he wants to cook a shish kebab of us.
Не страшно ли вам, что вас укусит ядовитая змея или скорпион?
I think about it all the time, honestly. Even when I go to the toilet at night, I take every step. I have it thought out. I know that you need to tear your clothes, bandage them tightly, suck out the poison, and watch what will happen to Pasha. But it's actually scary, because you can literally die in 5 seconds.
The next question is, how do we edit and upload our videos here?
Now I will show you.
Come on, Anton.
Where is my phone?
Maybe TUMBA YUMBA took it? Look around. Maybe. Oh, right. Here you are reading comments from it.
I've become a savage. Here I have a special adapter. From USB to Type-C.
Mouse.
Computer mouse. I insert a special adapter into the phone. I connect the mouse. Open the program for editing. Oh, here I already work today.
Power director.
Yes, it's called Power Director.
Is it paid?
Well, I downloaded it hacked on the internet. It's still an Android, and not your cool iPhone, right? That's it. We create the desired format. And we go into our sources. Here is what we just shot. Here. I throw on the montage. I take the mouse like this.
Even the cursor.
Yes, that's how I edit it. We add volume to our files so that you can hear everything perfectly. On YouTube, everything is for you. And now we look at the next fragment. So, I'll delete this fragment. I didn't like it.
After it's been edited, we usually go out in the morning to upload the video. To do this, we need to climb one high place. Even 5G works there.
I want to strengthen it a bit.
He's wandering around here, right next to us. Here, look. He eats. You see?
Eating this shellfish? I'm telling you, he eats them with larvae.
He also eats the larvae.
Let me get closer and shoot. It's not scary with a machete.
Thanks to our sponsors, we can keep releasing our videos. Thanks everyone for the help.